नमस्कार, आपके साथ मैं हूं सपना मदेश और आप देख रहे हैं जगत न्यूज 24। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ खास खबरों से।
We respect the people's verdict in Bankipur Assembly elections, where Mr. Prashant Kishore has won with a good, impressive margin against the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate in that. Because in the political system and in the democracy, winning and losing is one part of the game. But at the same time, we ask the India Alliance and then we question them that the false accusation you have been making against Narendra Modi's government, against Election Commission of India, against the judiciary, that every time when India Alliance loses, the blame the tampering of EVMs because of Special Investigation Division, the Bharatiya Janata Party has won, and the Bharatiya Janata Party have been making many inroads to only get elected in that. But today's verdict is a questionable for India alliances not to make this kind of a false statements, because Election Commission of India has been established much before Modi's government has come into power. They are doing their own duty. It's an independent body, and the Special Investigation Division is a mandatory constitutional obligation which is supposed to be done for every 20 years. So on the one pretext or the other, when we lose, you blame Modi's government. When you win, they get celebrated on that. The India alliances is nowhere to be seen in the election. There is no question of losing the mandate of the people of Bihar. This is only a process of the electioneering, and there is no need for you to celebrate because Bharatiya Janata Party candidate has lost. You do your homework, you get your house settled first.
ऐसे ही अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहें जगत न्यूज 24 और हाँ, हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।